Welcome to this walkthrough of SBS Note StarBoard's Android software that comes built in and is included with all our interactive displays. SBS Note is designed to transform how you interact with content, whether you're teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating. Let's explore its powerful features and see how each one can help you make your classroom more interactive and dynamic. Let's start with the background customization options available on the bottom right corner of the interface. First, you can select a solid color for the background. Whether you prefer a calming blue or a vibrant yellow, you can choose the ideal backdrop for your lesson. Next, in the texture section, you have various grid options to choose from. Then, there's the set option, where you can select preset background themes that fit the tone of your lesson. Now, the discipline option lets you choose pre-loaded backgrounds tailored to your subject, like a basketball court for sports lessons. This feature helps set the tone and create a more immersive learning environment. For a unique touch, you can also upload your own image, ensuring each lesson feels dynamic and engaging. Personalizing the board with these options ensures that every lesson feels dynamic and tailored to your subject, enhancing student engagement right from the start. Now, let's look at the main toolbar. This is where you'll find tools that allow you to write, draw, and collaborate. Let's begin with the standard pen. The first pen gives you control over your writing. You can adjust the thickness and color to suit your needs. For example, you might use a thinner pen for writing out definitions and a thicker one to emphasize important ideas. You can easily switch between these to adapt to your teaching style. This flexibility is perfect for lectures or interactive lessons, where clarity is key. Next, we have the multi-touch feature. By holding down the pen icon, you can enable multi-touch mode, allowing up to 20 touch points simultaneously. This is great for group activities where multiple students need to interact with the board at once. Next up are the brush pen, pointer pen and highlighter, each designed to help you add creative or focused touches to your lessons. Finally, the text conversion pen automatically converts anything you write into text. With just a tap, your handwritten notes turn into typed text, making them easier to edit and share. This tool is a game changer, especially when you need to transform handwritten notes into a clean, shareable format quickly. Once you select your text, you will see a dedicated toolbar appear with several helpful tools. You'll find options like copy, to duplicate the text, infinite clone, which allows you to make as many copies as you need, lock, delete and the lens. Let's talk about the lens tool, one of the most powerful features in SBS Note. Once you select any word and tap the lens icon, the software searches for that word across a variety of platforms, bringing additional context to your lesson. Let's see how this works with an example. First, let's search on Google. The software opens the browser directly within SBS Note, allowing you to access relevant websites without leaving the platform. This enables you to pull in more information quickly and seamlessly during your lesson. For instance, if you're teaching about the sun, you can search for the latest resources on the topic or explore related subjects with just a few clicks. You can also search for images. Here, we'll look for visual representations of the sun. Once found, you can download and insert the image directly into your software. This saves time and instantly enriches your lesson with visual aids. Additionally, you can search YouTube for relevant educational videos. When the video list appears, you can download any video directly into the software. This feature is incredibly helpful when incorporating multimedia content into your lesson. You can play videos seamlessly without switching to a different browser or app. In our SBS Note, we've also integrated an AI assistant, similar to ChatGPT. You can download images and videos directly from the AI assistant, making it a versatile tool for enhancing your lessons. Whether you're looking for visual aids or short clips to support a topic, the AI provides resources quickly and efficiently, helping you prepare engaging materials on the spot. Additionally, you can ask the AI questions about a topic, request lesson ideas, or generate explanations and examples to clarify concepts. This makes it an invaluable resource for teachers seeking to enrich their lessons and provide students with a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Now let's look at the eraser tool. The eraser can be used for correcting small mistakes or clearing large sections of your whiteboard. You can either erase a single mark or activate the overall eraser to remove everything on the screen. This is especially useful when switching between activities or cleaning up the board at the end of a lesson. Next, let's explore the drawing tools. You have access to a variety of preset shapes like lines, arrows, and graphs, which are perfect for organizing and presenting complex information clearly. For example, you can use arrows to illustrate processes or relationships between concepts. Lines are ideal for creating flowcharts or diagrams. The AI tool adds another layer of convenience. When you draw freehand shapes, such as a circle or square, the software automatically corrects them into perfect geometric shapes, saving you time and effort while maintaining visual clarity. Once your shapes are drawn, the customization options allow you to further refine them. You can adjust the color and thickness to match your lesson's theme or to make certain elements stand out. Additionally, you can rotate or resize the shapes to fit your lesson's flow, giving you full control over the visuals in your teaching materials. For more advanced needs, the software includes 3D shapes such as cylinders, cones, and spheres. These are particularly useful in subjects like geometry or science, allowing you to visualize three-dimensional concepts like volume or shape properties. The 3D features add depth to your lessons, making them more engaging and interactive. Lastly, you can upload custom stamps to further personalize your lesson. This feature helps to create a more engaging and customized learning experience. Now, let's move to the resources section. Here, you'll find useful tools to support your teaching. The first page contains measurement tools, such as a ruler, protractor, and compass, which are perfect for subjects like math and physics. You also have interactive tools like the vote system, which encourages student engagement by allowing them to participate in real time. Students can simply scan a QR code to join the voting session and answer questions directly from their devices. This feature fosters a more interactive and inclusive classroom environment, giving all students the opportunity to contribute, whether they're in the room or remotely. The Mind Map tool is a versatile feature that adapts to your lesson as you manually expand and organize your ideas. You can add new cells and concepts as your lesson evolves, allowing you to visually map out key points and relationships. This hands-on approach lets you guide students through complex topics in a clear and structured way. The split screen feature lets you divide the display into 2 or 4 sections, allowing multiple students to interact with the board simultaneously. This is ideal for collaborative work or when you need to run multiple activities side by side. You can also add documents or pictures inside each section, enabling students to work with various materials or reference visuals at the same time. This flexibility enhances group activities and helps create a more dynamic, interactive classroom environment. There is the AI assistant is available to help with anything you need, from quick answers to interactive support as we have seen before. And you can also use the unit converter to switch between different units of measurement with ease. It's perfect for quickly converting values during lessons.
The third page offers a variety of resources, including subject-specific galleries, educational games, and a connection to iMagic, our cloud-based system. iMagic provides access to an extensive library of images, tailored for educational purposes, all ready to be seamlessly imported into the whiteboard software. By incorporating these images, you can design interactive and engaging materials that enhance understanding and keep students focused throughout the lesson. The fourth page of the resources section expands the possibilities even further, offering carefully organized educational content to support hands-on learning in multiple disciplines. It's divided into several dedicated sections. The first section is powered by PHET Interactive Simulations, a renowned platform developed by the University of Colorado Boulder. Here, teachers and students can access a rich selection of interactive simulations across physics, mathematics, chemistry, earth and space sciences, and biology. These simulations allow students to manipulate variables and observe scientific phenomena in real time, making abstract concepts tangible and engaging. Whether you're exploring the laws of motion, chemical reactions, or mathematical functions, this tool brings theory to life in a way that's intuitive and interactive. The second section offers a comprehensive set of interactive exercises designed to reinforce core academic skills. These exercises cover a wide array of topics, including algebra, arithmetic, calculus, functions, geometry, probability, statistics, and trigonometry. Teachers can use them for live problem-solving sessions directly on the whiteboard, turning lectures into collaborative and engaging experiences. The exercises are practical, easy to navigate, and can be used both for lesson planning and spontaneous classroom activities. They're perfect for testing, understanding, encouraging group discussion, or providing visual support when explaining key concepts. We now move to Desmos, a powerful suite of 6 interactive tools that help students explore mathematical concepts. These tools cover everything from graphing and scientific calculations to matrix operations, geometry, and 3D modeling, offering a hands-on way to engage with math. The graphing calculator allows users to plot functions, inequalities, and data points with ease. Whether you're illustrating a simple linear equation or exploring the behavior of complex functions, this tool brings equations to life through dynamic graphs that respond instantly to changes. It's especially useful for helping students understand transformations, intercepts, and the relationships between algebraic expressions and their graphical representations. Next, the scientific calculator provides a more advanced environment for performing trigonometric, logarithmic, and exponential calculations. This is ideal for older students or more complex subjects like physics and chemistry, where precise computations are essential, and having the right tool embedded directly in the teaching software enhances efficiency. For younger learners or more straightforward calculations, the 4-function calculator offers a clean, minimal interface focused on the basics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's a helpful option during early math lessons, or when you want to keep distractions to a minimum. For topics such as linear algebra or systems of equations, the matrix calculator is available to handle operations like matrix addition, multiplication, and finding determinants or inverses. This tool makes it possible to explore concepts that are often difficult to visualize, allowing for a clearer, more hands-on learning experience. Then there's the geometry tool, which enables students to construct and manipulate shapes directly on the screen. Teachers can use it to build step-by-step constructions, demonstrate geometric principles, and encourage exploration of properties like angles, congruence, and symmetry in a fully interactive way. Lastly, the 3D calculator introduces a 3-dimensional space where students can visualize functions, surfaces, and objects from multiple perspectives. It's perfect for more advanced math classes and helps make abstract spatial concepts far more tangible. Together, these tools support all levels of math education, from basic arithmetic to advanced topics, making it easy to explore concepts dynamically and interactively.
Let's now turn to the left side of the bottom menu, where we find options for account management and settings. Here, you can connect the Android software to your StarBoard online account. Once connected, you can move to the Share option and upload your work to your StarBoard online library, ensuring safe storage and easy access later from the cloud software. Alternatively, the Share option allows you to send your material by email or create a QR code, enabling students to scan and instantly download your lesson notes. This feature is perfect for students who want to take home the lesson content or revisit it at a later time. In the settings, you can adjust the touch threshold, determining how the software reacts to different touch commands. This feature allows you to customize the experience, ensuring that the software responds in a way that suits your teaching style and enhances your workflow. Once that's set, you can also modify the pen size, color, and function based on how you touch the screen. For example, you can use the front of the pen for drawing, the back for writing, and your finger to select objects. This flexibility is great for keeping things smooth and organized as you switch between tasks. You'll notice how easily I can switch between functions without any interruptions, making the lesson more fluid and efficient. Moving on, let's explore how easy it is to open files and continue lessons seamlessly. You can access documents or media directly from the cloud or the display's file manager, ensuring you can pick up right where you left off without wasting time. You can also open a window to split the screen into 2 sections. One side runs the Android SBS Note, and the other can display media, documents, or even run a different operating system by connecting external devices via HDMI, USB-C, VGA, or OPS. This is perfect for multitasking or showing a video while interacting with the board. Finally, the Quick Pass feature makes file sharing easy. Simply use a QR code to send files to the software, allowing, for example, students to share their work quickly. This is ideal for when students need to contribute in real time, streamlining collaboration in the classroom. SBS Note transforms the way you teach, making your lessons more engaging, inspiring, and make learning come alive. It's more than just a tool, it's the foundation for a transformative classroom experience that inspires creativity, collaboration, and discovery.